out today in one of our garden boxes. This is a 2x8, just filled up. And in our box, we basically take topsoil. I do put perlite, and I'm a big fan of cow manure. It just amends the soil and then fill it up. These are nice. These are 12 inches high, so anything like your root vegetables have enough room to grow down. So as you can see, we are starting to pick them out, and decent sized turnip. So that's what we come up with. There's bigger ones in here. It's just that's what we'll do, just keep harvesting them. And I feel that there's a big stew coming on over the weekend to utilize some of these vegetables here that we're able to harvest. As you can see, we had radishes and turnips. So today I'm out, starting to get a little warm down here, and we got them about as big as we want. So nice sized turnip that's here. So this whole section here is filled with turnips. So we will harvest them, blanch them, and freeze them. But it's just how easy it is. Sustainable foods. And we have 3 of these around the house. And I also have a automatic sprinkler on it that magically just went off as we were out doing some work here. But as you can see, this is how most vegetables and plants actually like to get watered. Just small trickle type amounts of water. But see, it can be done. People always tell me how hard it is to grow things in Florida. What I found just coming from the north is you basically have to start in December. So anything that you took for granted, normally we'd be putting stuff in up in the north in April. But we start 2 or 3 months earlier, and not bad to have free produce. So thanks for joining us, and we will see you on the next video.